So guys, recently Infinix has released this Infinix S5 with punch hole display, quad cameras and 32 megapixel front facing camera at the price range of rupees 9,000. So those are some amazing specs, isn't it? So it's been around 20 days since I'm using this smartphone as my primary device, and I have tested this smartphone quite thoroughly, and I'm going to tell you my experience with this device. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a full review of this Infinix S5. So let's begin. So guys, it's been almost 2 months since I've unboxed this Infinix S5 on the channel, and you guys gave such a immense love on that video that flattered me, and thank you so much for that. So first of all guys, before I start the video, as my friend Mukesh has suggested, please show yourself. He has suggested me to give you guys some like target. So for this video, I'm giving you a like target of 350 likes. So please hit that like button. It will be very, very helpful for me. So with that said, yeah, dabado. With that said, let's begin. Let's start the review with the build quality and the design. So the rear is completely plastic, and on the front we have glass, but there is no protection in that. But when it comes to the build quality, it is quite decent. Not the best which I have seen in this price category. I have seen much better build quality smartphone in this price range, but this is not bad too. But when it comes to looks, it is very good. It looks very striking when you like hold this smartphone in your hand. The build quality in hand feel is just great, but it is quite I don't know how can I explain this. It does not feel that premium, you know. This smartphone comes under the price range of 9,000 rupees, and in this price range it is one of the best smartphone when it comes to looks, because it has a, you know, punch hole display. That is also a very good thing. Moving to the front side, it has 6.6 inch HD plus display, not the full HD one. PPI is not that high, but still the display quality is decent. I know it is not up to the mark as the standard, but this smartphone caters to the offline markets, guys. It is just decent. You can definitely view content and you can enjoy the content on this display, but not very striking or something like that. The brightness could be a little bit better, but it is good. Now guys, let's talk about the performance. This smartphone comes with that same shitty Helio P22 processor. Yeah, this smartphone comes for 9,000 rupees with that shitty Helio P22 processor. I don't know what Infinix is thinking while releasing the smartphone. I have no idea, but that processor is like very old. It's almost 3 years old, but it is decent. I mean, you can definitely do your daily work in this smartphone. If you are a light user, you can definitely use this smartphone, but if you are a medium or heavy user, please don't buy this smartphone. It is not for you. Otherwise, this is decent enough. Overall, when it comes to day-to-day performance like opening apps, closing app, multitasking, those are good in this phone. But when it comes to gaming, this is not that good. This is okay-ish in my opinion. If you wanna see the gameplay where I have played PUBG in this smartphone, I will leave the video in the I button. You can go and check that video out. You will know the performance of this smartphone. With that said, let's move to the cameras. On the back, it has 4 cameras. Yeah, this smartphone has 4 cameras. The primary sensor is 16 megapixel with aperture of f1.8. Then we have a wide angle lens, macro lens and a depth sensor. And on the front, it has 32 megapixel front facing camera with the aperture of f2.0. Overall, when it comes to picture quality, they are decent in the daylighting situation. But when it comes to the front facing camera, it is very good. I mean, I have used quite a lot of phone, but in this price category, it is I can say it is definitely in top 10 when it comes to the front facing camera, especially in this price category. By the way, it can also shoot videos in 1080p. So after that, let's talk about battery life and the charging time. This smartphone comes with 4000 mAh battery, and the battery life is around 1 day. You will not going to get more than 1 day battery life. If you are a very light user, you can go and use this smartphone very lightly, then you will get 1.5 days of battery usage. But after that, you have to charge it, and for that you will get a 10-watt adapter in the box, which will take around 2.5 to 3 hours to completely charge the smartphone, which is not bad. It's okay in my opinion, especially in this price category. So overall battery life and the charging time is good enough. I can say I am very satisfied with the battery life of this smartphone. After that, let's talk about the software. I don't like the XOS that much. It has ads. It has a lot of bloatware which you can't uninstall. There are some quirks in this software which I don't like personally, but overall the software is good. It is very feature packed, no doubt here. So when it comes to features, it is very good, but I feel hardware is not that powerful to drive that software. That's what I want to say. And when it comes to sound quality, I have to say the sound quality is quite decent. Let me show you. Let me do a speaker test for you, a small speaker test. Let's play this song from the NCS. So the microphone is right over here, guys, and this is how it sounds. Basically, it is just usable, not very amazing or something like that. It is decent enough. But when it comes to sound quality from the earpiece and the call quality, it is very very good by far. I don't face any issues when it comes to the call quality. In terms of the call quality and reception, it is very very good. It supports dual VoLTE as well as VO Wi-Fi. So I am using Jio SIM card and I am living in Mumbai, and already I have got the VO Wi-Fi in this smartphone. I am using Wi-Fi to call other person, so that is very very amazing in my opinion. So talking about security, on the back it has a fingerprint sensor, and with the help of the front facing camera you can unlock this smartphone using the face unlock technology. So let's test the fingerprint scanner. As you see, the accuracy of the fingerprint scanner is quite good, but the speed is not that amazing. It takes around 1 second to unlock this smartphone, which is not very amazing in my opinion. So when it comes to the face unlock, let me show you the face unlock speed too. Yeah, as you see over here, face unlock speed is decent too, not very amazing or something like that. So yeah, overall in terms of my opinion, guys, especially at this price range when there are smartphones like Realme 5i and Redmi Note 8, which you can get in the 10,000 rupee mark, after the existence of those devices, I'm not able to recommend this smartphone to you guys. But if you are looking for a punch hole display, specifically punch hole display, because the USP of this smartphone is the punch hole display, then only you can buy this smartphone. By the way, I will leave the link in the description box. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone. It will be very very helpful for them. And if you love the content, you can subscribe to this channel with that bell notification icon, so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.